Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Ingrid Joy Romance. Today I just want to show you how I sanitize these bottles. So these bottles, I got them from the manufacturer, so what I wanted to do is just to show you how I actually prepare them first before I make the products. And these bottles I use to put serum in them, or I can also make a lotion. I can also make just any liquid to put in them. You can actually put liquids in these. So these are what I put inside here. I also put concealer, liquid concealer, and inside of these bottles. So keep in mind that whenever you make these products, you can use these to put almost anything in there that you know can come out easily. So to sanitize these bottles, you need actually 2 bowls of water. First, you're gonna have 2 drops of liquid soap in here in one, and then you can also you can use any kind of soap that you want to use. Sometimes I just use Dawn, and I don't know, I just prefer Dawn. But I mean, you can use, if you don't have Dawn, you can use any other soap. And for me, sometimes when I'm using Dawn, I find it give too much bubbles, so sometimes I'll just use 1 drop. So depends on you. So what I do is I got 2 bowls of water, 1 for washing, 1 for rinsing. So as you can see right now, I'm rinsing right now. And then they need to dry properly, because if they don't dry properly, you're gonna have any problems. And also you need to wash the cap as well. The same way you do the bottle, you will do the cap as well. You see, they're crispy clean. And I'm showing you again how I do them. So just watch to the end, guys. I appreciate everybody watching these videos. I mean, sometime when I'm doing things, I forgot to turn my camera on, but you know, I miss a lot of things putting up on YouTube, and I do appreciate everyone's support, and God bless everyone, and just continue to watch to the end. See you guys.